Welcome to the Vlab student experience. We will provide step-by-step instructions for you to use a CNC lathe to manufacture a chess piece from an aluminum bar stock. Wear safety glasses. To ensure safety, wear safety glasses at all times. Open the door of the CNC lathe by pointing at and clicking the handle. Insert the workpiece into the chuck. Touch the chuck key to the chuck to securely tighten the workpiece. Tightening of the workpiece is critical for avoiding an accident. Insert the cutting tool into the channel of the cutting tool holder. Touch the Allen wrench to the screws of the cutting tool holder to tighten the cutting tool to ensure that the tool does not move during machining. Place the height gauge on the station. Use the screw on top of the tool holder to adjust the height of the cutting tool tip. Pull the red knob of the lever to fix the cutting tool height. This step is important to ensure that the tool does not move during machining, thereby avoiding an accident. Remove the height gauge, and put it on the table. Press the red emergency button on the control panel. Press the power on button on the control panel.
Let us try and understand the coordinate.
Press the trigger handle jog button on the control panel to manually move the cutting tool. The jogging speed has been set to a default speed for you. Press the Z+ button on the control panel to enable movement of the tool along the Z direction. Use the round jogging handle on the control panel to move the tool along Z until it touches the face of the workpiece. Press the Z measurement button on the control panel to record the Z offset. Press the X+ button on the control panel to enable movement of the tool along the X direction. Now use the round jogging handle on the control panel to move the tool along X direction until it touches the circumference of the workpiece. Press the X diameter button on the control panel to record the X offset. Pick the caliper and touch it to the workpiece to measure the workpiece diameter. Workpiece 25.1 centimeters. Press the Enter button on the control panel to enter the measured workpiece diameter into the system. Pick the USB drive from the table and insert it into the control panel to transfer G-code to the CNC lathe. Close the door of the CNC lathe by pointing and clicking the handle. Press the Home button on the control panel to move the cutting tool to machine 0 location. Now the system is ready for CNC machining. Press the Cycle Start button on the control panel to start the cycle. Watch the machining process through the transparent window on the left door. Zoom in to clearly see the cutting process. Machining is now complete. Open the door of the CNC lathe by pointing and clicking the handle. Press the emergency button on the control panel. Press the red power off button on the control panel to switch off the power of the machine. Pick the chuck key from the table and touch it to the chuck to loosen the workpiece. Remove the workpiece and carefully observe the final shape of the chess piece that you have manufactured using CNC machining. Before you exit the lab, close the door and use the reset button on the table to return the tools to their original positions. Congratulations! You have completed all the steps of this simulation. Please remember to complete the survey after you exit the lab.